Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. Today we're doing a family favorite, cheesy hash brown potatoes with ham in our Dutch oven. In our neck of the woods, it's called funeral potatoes. They tend to serve that after funerals when the family gets back together for a luncheon. So let's show you how it's done. So your ingredients are 1 26-ounce bag of hash brown potatoes, 1 cup of chopped ham, 1 can cream of chicken soup, 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 bunch of green onions chopped up, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheese, and 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. While our coals are heating up, we're going to take advantage of some of that heat to melt our butter and get that ready. And then we'll add the sour cream. When that's mixed in a bit, then we'll add our cream of chicken soup. And get that stirred up nicely. And we'll add our seasoned salt and spread that around. So we'll stir that till it's smooth. It kind of starts to look like some scrambled eggs. So now we're going to lay down some coals. We'll put the Dutch oven on it. Then we'll add our hash browns, some cheese, and the ham. Get that all mixed up. We'll use 1/2 cup of cheese at the end, put it over the top, and then we'll put the lid on. Onions, our ham, cheese, give that a stir. And our hash browns. You'll want to stir that around until all of the hash browns are coated. Then we'll smooth it out, add some cheese to the top. Now we'll put the top on, then add some coals and let it cook for about 45 minutes. We've been cooking for 45 minutes and it's time to open it up and give it a try. Let's dish a little up. Man, does that look good. Some people will make this recipe without the ham in it. They'll have that as a side dish, but we really love the ham in it. Let's give it a try. That is so good and savory every time. No wonder it's a family favorite for us. I know that if you try it, it will become one of your family favorites also. So I hope you'll do that, and I hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv. Man, is that good. That is so good.